So where's the best online business you can start with anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000? And you've been interested in looking into some kind of an online business. Maybe you just looked into businesses you could just buy outright. I'm going to show you a way inside this video for you to invest that $5,000 to $10,000 online into a business that's pretty much semi-passive. It just runs in the background and brings you a return. Now, if you're new to this channel, you won't know what I'm talking about, but all my returning subscribers already know where I was going with this. This channel is all about affiliate marketing. But why do I recommend affiliate marketing specifically if you have $5,000 to $10,000 to invest? Let me explain. Affiliate marketing specifically is unique in that it's one of the few online businesses, if not pretty much the only online business that you can start where you actually don't own any products whatsoever. You are not responsible for shipping. You're not responsible for fulfillment, credit card processing, anything. So because of that, you don't have to hire any kind of a staff. You don't have to worry about making sure the customer gets what they paid for. You don't have to worry about anything. So if you have anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, this is why I think affiliate marketing is perfect. And I'm going to expand on that. But first, if it is your first time on this channel, I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now, because you don't own any products, services, software, anything yourself, affiliate marketing is unique, and all you get is an affiliate link. Now, this link is specifically coded to you and only you. It's the relationship between you and whatever company you choose to promote and market for. So essentially, affiliate marketing is nothing more than a compensation structure. So how do we make this passive, and how do we make it very profitable and lucrative for you? So you're going to take this affiliate link and you're going to set up tiny little websites we call sales funnels, and you're going to run ads with it. The beauty of online marketing, internet, is that ads are very, very cheap. You can usually get clicks from anywhere to 1 to 5 cents per click. Now, this is especially why I was saying that this makes it uniquely passive, unlike a lot of other business structures online. If you try to start an Amazon store, you try to start drop shipping, you're going to put in a lot of your own time and energy into those businesses. But with affiliate marketing, because all you're really doing is promoting somebody else's products and all you have is a link, then if you run ads to these sales funnels, and there are other videos on this channel showing you how to set them up, then your profit potential could be huge, okay? Especially if you're promoting high ticket products. Now, high ticket products are anything that generate you $500 in commission or more. There are some products out there you can promote online that generate $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 per sale. So if you're spending just a few pennies per click to run ads, but your potential profit is $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, then your potential ROI can be huge. And as you see here, I've actually been running ads the last 2 weeks, and I've made over $25,000 from running ads through affiliate marketing. So I'm not just speaking out of my butt here. I know this stuff actually works. Now, if you want help setting this up, you want a team that's going to work with you around the clock, set up your ads, set up your funnels, do everything for you, and make sure you get your ROI, click on the link in the description below. I have a program called the Affiliate Franchise where we're going to support you in building this thing out. And if you have any questions on that, make sure you leave a comment down below. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.